For decades, every great space telescope has transformed the way humanity sees the universe. Hubble revealed billions of galaxies stretching across the observable cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope looked even farther back in time, uncovering ancient galaxies, hidden stellar nurseries, and the atmospheres of distant worlds. For a moment, it seemed humanity had finally built the ultimate machine for exploring the cosmos. But astronomy is already preparing for its next giant leap. A new space telescope is on the horizon. Not to replace James Webb, but to reveal an entirely different view of the universe. Instead of looking deeper into space, it will look wider than any space observatory ever built. That telescope is the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. A mission designed to survey the universe on an unprecedented scale. Rather than studying a single galaxy in extraordinary detail, Roman will map enormous regions of the sky. It will search for billions of galaxies, thousands of hidden planets, and the invisible forces that shape the evolution of the cosmos. If James Webb is a cosmic microscope, Roman is a panoramic camera for the universe. Webb zooms in on tiny regions of space with breathtaking precision. Roman steps back and captures the bigger picture. It will reveal how billions of galaxies fit together across the largest structures ever observed. Instead of examining isolated objects, Roman will allow scientists to study the universe as one enormous interconnected system. At first glance, Roman may appear less impressive than James Webb. Its primary mirror measures 2.4 meters across, compared with Webb's much larger 6.5-meter mirror. But judging Roman by mirror size completely misses its purpose. Webb was built to study the deepest details of individual objects. Roman was built to understand the universe on the grandest possible scale. Its wide-field instrument will capture an area of sky nearly 100 times larger than James Webb can observe in a single image, while maintaining image quality comparable to Hubble. A region that would require hundreds of Webb observations can often be recorded by Roman in a single exposure. This remarkable capability is essential, because some of the greatest mysteries in modern physics cannot be solved by studying only a handful of galaxies. Scientists must observe hundreds of millions, perhaps even billions, spread across cosmic time. Only by examining these immense patterns can they understand how the universe evolved, and what unseen forces govern its expansion. Roman's greatest mission is to reveal the invisible universe. Everything we can directly observe, every star, every planet, every galaxy, and every cloud of gas, accounts for only about 5% of the cosmos. The remaining 95% is believed to consist of dark matter and dark energy, mysterious components that dominate the universe while remaining almost completely unknown. Dark matter cannot be seen, because it neither emits nor reflects light. Yet its gravity holds galaxies together, and controls the motion of massive galaxy clusters across the universe. Without it, many galaxies would simply fly apart. Dark energy is even more mysterious. In the late 1990s, astronomers discovered something astonishing. The expansion of the universe is accelerating, as though some unknown force is pushing space itself outward. No one yet knows what causes this mysterious acceleration. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope was built to investigate both of these cosmic mysteries. It will use one of the most powerful techniques in modern cosmology: gravitational lensing. According to Einstein's general theory of relativity, massive objects bend the fabric of spacetime. As light travels across the universe, these invisible distortions subtly stretch and warp the appearance of distant galaxies. Although dark matter cannot be seen directly, its gravity leaves behind a measurable fingerprint. By studying these tiny distortions across hundreds of millions of galaxies, Roman will produce the most detailed map of dark matter ever created. Combined with observations of distant supernovae and the large-scale distribution of galaxies, these measurements could reveal whether dark energy behaves exactly as current theories predict, or whether entirely new laws of physics are. Roman's mission extends much closer to home as well. It will become one of humanity's greatest planet hunters. Using a technique known as gravitational microlensing, Roman can detect planets that remain invisible to most other search methods. Unlike the transit method, which is most sensitive to planets orbiting close to their stars, microlensing can reveal colder worlds located much farther away, including planets at distances similar to Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. It can even detect rogue planets, worlds drifting through interstellar space without orbiting any star at all. By continuously monitoring millions of stars toward the center of the Milky Way, Roman is expected to discover thousands of previously unknown exoplanets, giving scientists an unprecedented understanding of how planetary systems form and how they evolve throughout our galaxy. Yet history suggests Roman's greatest discoveries may be the ones nobody expects. Throughout the history of astronomy, the biggest breakthroughs have rarely been the ones scientists originally planned to find. When Hubble launched, it revealed entirely new classes of galaxies and cosmic structures, objects astronomers had never imagined observing. It transformed our understanding of how galaxies grow, how stars are born, and how the universe has changed over billions of years. James Webb has continued that remarkable tradition. It has challenged long-held ideas about the earliest galaxies, revealed surprisingly mature cosmic structures from the young universe, and uncovered extraordinary details within the atmospheres of distant worlds. Again and again, the universe has proven to be far more complex than our theories predicted. Roman, with its enormous field of view, may continue that extraordinary pattern. Instead of focusing on a handful of carefully selected targets, it will continuously survey vast regions of the sky, collecting an enormous amount of information never before available to humanity. Hidden within that data could be entirely new cosmic structures, rare gravitational events, unexpected transient phenomena, unknown classes of celestial objects, or patterns that challenge our current understanding of physics. Some of the universe's greatest secrets may not appear as a single spectacular discovery, but as subtle connections spread across millions of galaxies. Those hidden patterns are exactly what Roman was designed to uncover. The true importance of Roman is not that it will surpass James Webb. It is that together, these two observatories will provide completely different ways of exploring the universe. Roman will scan enormous regions of the sky, identifying mysterious galaxies, unusual gravitational phenomena, possible new planetary systems, and regions of space that deserve closer investigation. James Webb will then turn its powerful infrared instruments toward those discoveries, examining them with extraordinary precision, and revealing the physical processes taking place within them. One telescope will reveal the patterns, the other will explain the details. Together, they will create one of the most powerful scientific partnerships ever built. Their combined observations could reshape our understanding of how galaxies evolve, how planetary systems form, how dark matter influences cosmic structure, and whether dark energy behaves exactly as modern cosmology predicts. If Roman discovers even the smallest deviations from existing models, physicists may be forced to rethink some of the most fundamental ideas about the nature of the universe. When the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope finally begins its mission, it will not simply collect millions of beautiful images. It will assemble one of the largest and most detailed maps of the observable universe ever created. It will reveal the hidden architecture of dark matter, trace the history of cosmic expansion, search for thousands of previously unknown worlds, and investigate some of the greatest unanswered questions in physics. Every observation will become another piece of humanity's greatest cosmic puzzle. For thousands of years, the universe has been shaped by invisible forces beyond our reach. Now, for the first time, we are building an observatory capable of exposing them. And as history has shown again and again, the greatest discoveries are often the ones we never imagined looking for. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope may not simply expand our view of the universe. It may redefine our understanding of the cosmos. And perhaps, our place within